Hi YouTubers. I fell over an article. This is regarding United Kingdom, but I think we can pretty much draw a parallel to it when you hear what this is saying. This is coming from La Rouge, and his headline is "These bastards will hang for their crimes." I'm just going to read this article. It's not a long one. It says, December 29, 2009, LPAC, Calypso Chalkidou, Director of the International Division of the British National Institutes for Clinical Excellence, abbreviated NICE. Good word, right? Which is the model for and genesis of the Independent Medicare Advisory Board, IMAB, established in the US Senate Healthcare, arrogantly brags that NICE pushes genocide maturely. In an October 9, 2009 interview with Reuters news agency, NICE International Director Chalkidou coldly dismissed as childish charges that NICE is a death panel. All countries has to ration healthcare, she asserted, describing NICE's purpose as overseeing the imposition of its healthcare rationing methods upon every nation on earth. New World Order. What you call rationing is a euphemism for the Hitler's philosophy that there have been some life too costly to be permitted life. That means their life is too costly, so we will have to terminate them. What are we paying tax for one place? Some of those money should go to hospitals, so they have a little capacity, and healthcare shouldn't be that expensive either. And this healthcare is very expensive, especially Obama's healthcare. Well, in the midst of the global breakdown crisis, this means one thing: genocide, on a scale far greater than Adolf Hitler dreamed of. NICE International is working with more than 60 countries, from the United States to China, she claims. Chalkidou told Reuters that NICE's main attributes are its maturity and its openness about how healthcare authorities should approach a decision when faced with a drug that works well but is prohibitively expensive, or with one that is only extend a patient's life by a matter of days or weeks. 10 to 15 years ago, talk about rationing healthcare was taboo, but NICE has improved the quality of that discussion. Amongst the policymakers now we can have a much more mature conversation. This openly states the need to prioritize. What we are talking about is rationing. We are talking about a system where not everybody can get everything that may help them all of the time, irrespectively of cost. This is no healthcare system in the world that does not have to address this. Well, he called her a bitch. I do too. NICE 11th annual conference, December the 2nd and 3rd in Manchester, England, discussed the possibilities for US healthcare system being run directly by UK's NICE during a panel. Bye sovereignty there again. This is America. No foreigners, no other countries should have this right to go in and decide for you. This is America, the only free nation left on this planet. You gotta stop this. During a panel addressed by two Americans, who loved this idea. Steve Pearson, president of Harvard Institute of Clinical and Economical Review, and Sean Tunis, director of the Center of Medical Technology in Baltimore. Pearson raised the potential for collaboration between UK and US healthcare systems, suggesting this could involve development of common set of criteria for cost effectiveness. Tunis and Pearson indicated that NICE guidance, that is, decision on what technologies, medicines and procedures are cost effective and thus permitted, is already being used to set US policy. American patriot leader Lyndon LaRouche responded to this, and he got mad, like I am. We say, you sons of bitches, you lost Copenhagen, give it up. You lost Copenhagen, your arguments are nullified. You are finished, you are dead. You put everything on Copenhagen, you are dead. And if a President Obama goes with this, he is politically dead too. And if the Queen of England goes with this, she is politically dead too. The American people are going to kill anyone who goes with NICE of here in United States. NICE guidelines do not belong in United States. Anybody who says this, we are going to hang, and not in effigy. If you go with this bullshit, we consider you as Adolf Hitler's child, and don't hang around with us. Yeah, this article pissed me off too. We can just jump to the American Obamacare. It says here that is the advanced care planning consultation, subject to paragraph 3 and 4. The term advanced care planning consultation means a consultation between the individual and the practitioner described in paragraph 2 regarding advanced care planning. If subject to paragraph 3, the individual involved has not had a such consultation within the last 5 years, such as consultations shall include the following. Let's jump straight to article section E, which says, an explanation by the practitioner of continuum of end-of-life services and support available, including palliative care and hospice, and benefits for such services and support that are available under this title. That's exactly like Hitler, and UK is doing the same, and I hope people in UK will do something drastic to stop these minions, and I actually wish they would do whatever it takes. This cannot go on. We're talking about millions of people's life, and they have this care plan running around here, and that actually makes people sick, because they are sitting there and discussing who can get Medicare and who cannot, and what kind of medicine are they entitled to in order to sustain their life. And this really nags me. Here comes in another thing. We have these healthcare systems running, and they just passed a healthcare bill, and there's gonna come much more to it. But on the sideline, we have Codex Alimentarius, and they will force you on this healthcare. Naturally, they will ask for it, because on December 31, that means tomorrow, there are new standards. All the PUPs, that means pesticides in food, there was 12 of them. They were not allowed in food, and Codex Alimentarius will tomorrow make 7 of them legal. And on the other hand, they have declared that vitamins and minerals are toxins, and therefore are not allowed in food anymore unless it's sold locally and eaten raw. All food has to be radiated. That means you will eat food without nutrition. and they will make you beg for Medicare, and they will take care of you. So therefore, I urge all Americans and all British citizens to rise up and stop them. They want to kill you. Slowly and surely they want to kill you. And they are working together. And remember one thing, Codex Alimentarius is founded by a former sentenced Nazi who broke out and created this monstrum. And Monsanto is non-nutritious food, and that's what they're going to provide for you. They will starve you to death, and they will Medicare you to death. Rise up and take a stand. God bless you.